Go na. Saan na ba tayo dito sa patay maaso? Gutay maaso. Buti pinatay ko ng maaga kung ganun. Buhay pa yan. Ito na tayo si jail tayo. Kunin natin yung key. Bubuhay pala itong mga zombie paglabas. Pag makakalabas pala yung zombie pag okay, kodi ko hindi ko kabisado. Doon pa na dapat kukunin ko yan sa left to right. Yan o. Open kodi ko. Yan medyo malapit na. Pinaprint ko pa ito eh. Ba't hindi ko itong wire na ito? Yan malapit na. Ba't wala? Ganon paikot-ikot. Yung pababa siya dapat pataas ko. Yan, tumaas. Baba, taas dapat. Dito pa left. Dito na ako. Ngayon, pataas. And right. Okay. Open na. Si Ben, namatay si Ben. Parking key lang. Si monster, the station starting was I can hear the cries. Zombie appear. Mga nagsasalita sa babayan. Witness. Maraming tayong kalaban na yan. Parking permit. Sa Elcano yata itong walang parking.
Nobody cares about that. They want to know about the G virus and a big fucking sinkhole in the city, which by the way, rumor has it to your underground lab. Now, are you going to talk to me?
Play is didinig kaya ako. Play is umbrella. Play is yata. Tapos orphanage. Ganun ang Scholarship. Place orphanage. Place yata. Pitch. About this. Parking lang po. So, kamatayan sa parking. Yan, handa ko na yung granada. Saktong tapon lang dapat to. Shotgun, handa na. Dito na si ano. Lalabas na si ano, Mr. X. Tiada. Get out of me. Run. Si Rad po. Didinig kaya ako dito sa ano to, cutscene. Ang lakas ng bola, just kaya yung volume. Nadidinig kaya ako.
Saving your ass, that's twice.
I didn't realize you were keeping score.
Look, this isn't a game.
This isn't a game.
Nothing dies down here.
Nothing dies down. Sino kaya?
I take it you have the key card.
Yeah, and this. I was hoping you could explain what's on it.
Maybe. After I hear it. Let's get out of here.
Nothing dies down. Ayun yung mamatay ayun yung mamatay si Mother. May panglalagyan na kaya sa kaya. Saan kaya paglalagyan? Mga namatay. Bukas yung gilon. Hindi na maka-start yan. Yan. Kaharangin natin siya. Hindi siya.
Is that the intel you needed?
Unfortunately, no. Ben didn't come through.
Well, what exactly are you looking for?
More info on the people responsible for this mess.
More info in this point, man, mess. Pucha, hindi ka pinapansin. Hindi. Tuloy yung lakad. Gunship. O yan. Kendo shop.
Going through that gun shop looks like
Gunship na alam ko yan. The only way gunship. siya pwede baril din.
What a mess.
Ano ko yung kinukulikot nito? Shotgun. Combine. Tatlong item. Gero ni kay Bradley Picture. Isa, dalawa, tatlo nano, isa, dalawa, tatlo, pangatlo. Jill Valentine, Resident Evil 1 to. Don't work out the other ways. Still, if things get worse, your other ways. You know where to find me. I'll do everything I can. You've got reason to stay in contact. Dito may cutscene na. Grenade nakuha. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Okay. Ito na yung cutscene.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I said don't move.
I'm just passing through. I'm gonna ask you to lower that
Ito
weapon.
matabang to.
Turn around. Go right back out the way you came in.
Kamukha to.
Needs help, sir.
Tell me how to deal with my daughter.
Music teacher namin. Kamukha to.
No! Wait!
Matabang
Step
to.
aside. We need to terminate her before she turns.
Terminate. It's my fucking daughter.
Ada. Just let them be.
May fucking da.
Sweetheart, I told you to stay put. Okay. Those fucking things outside. What they did to us.
Fuck.
You're a cop. You're supposed to know something. How did this happen? Huh?
Siya galit kaya.
She was a sweet little angel. I was sleeping, honey. Okay. And I'm gonna put you to bed too, okay?
Sabat mas nasa ulan sila. Hindi yan. Umuulan pa.
Just go. Just give us some privacy.
Mas gusto ng privacy. Ulan.
It's one thing to keep the truth from me, but why him? I want to find out what's happening here and stop whoever's behind it. Helping people like them? That's why I joined the force.
My mission is to take down Umbrella's entire operation. We may not make it out.
Whatever it takes to save this city. Count me in.
Pampapaksak niya ang umbrella. Play issue yata. Pampapaksak niya. Play issue yata.
Heard of the Umbrella Corporation? They're a pharmaceutical company secretly making bioweapons. They have a virus. It turns people into indestructible monsters.
That explains the horrible things I've seen.
And that's why I'm looking for Annette Blakely. She's the one at Umbrella responsible for unleashing the virus. I'm going to bring her down.
Annette Blakely.
This is how we get to Annette.
Based on what you've said, the sewer seems fitting.
Well said. After you.
Gee, thanks. Can't imagine a real scientist being down here.
According to HQ, this leads right into Umbrella's secret facility.
Come on. Sewers are run by the city. How could they have a facility without the authorities knowing?
Welcome to corporate America. Umbrella's controlled Raccoon City for years.
Umbrella controlled Raccoon City. May secret lab pala dyan mga Umbrella. Saan ka tayo pupunta nito?
Jesus! That an earthquake?
I sure as hell hope so.
What the hell?
Stay sharp. God only knows what's down here.
Save room na. At save na tayo dito. Tik 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 tik. Na-save ko naman yan. Ito nang mahirap eh. Ay, hindi pa. Hindi pa pala doon sa kapila pa yun. Hindi yata niya alam kung ano.
Again?
It's not too late to turn back, Leon.
Pero alam niya ng
You're stuck with me to the end.
alam niya yung daan dito, hindi lang ano, pinapasearch ka lang. Alam mo yung yung daan dito, but hindi siya lang, siya na unang. Oh, hindi naman siya ano, hindi naman siya gumagalaw. Oh, oh, ikaw na pupunta. Hindi. Makalusot ako sana.
You sure this is the right way?
Unfortunately.
Wait there.
Makalusot ako dito sana sa mga pakulaw na to. Pakulaw.
Leon! Get out of there!
Kaliwa.
Holy
Kaliwa.
shit!
Kanan naman. Kanan, kanan, kanan. Kaliwa ulit. Diretso, gitna, 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 gitna. Gitna, gitna. Kaliwa, kanan, gitna. Parilin natin yung ano. Nakalusot pala tayo, okay ah.
Chew on that, you overgrown son of a bitch.
Kaliwa lang may basura, kanan may basura, diretso. Yun lang ang technique daw. Grenade Raccoon Toy, southeast corner. Southeast dito. Southeast dito. Ba't nawala yung raccoon? Southeast corner of the room.
Leon, up here.
What the hell was?
Just get up here.
Before climbing it, be sure to in the southeast corner of the room for Mr. Raccoon Toy. Southeast corner, southeast. Ano ang sakit? Bakit nawala yung Raccoon Toy?
Can't say I didn't warn you.
You said the virus turned people into monsters, not reptiles.
Fair point. I'm just impressed you made it in one piece.
Fair point and one piece. Alright, go
So let me
to
get this straight. Umbrella sells monsters like that to who? Our military? Somebody else's?
They don't sell the monsters. They sell the viruses that make them. And Annette is who makes the viruses. As scary as that alligator was, Annette is far more dangerous.
Annette, which is far more dangerous. Sino ba yung si Annette na yun? Baka si Anaggan yata yun. Nasaan na si ano? Ito yung pangalawang save na. The next save. Safe room typewriter. The item box.
Definitely William's handiwork.
Identify yourself.
Annette Birkin.
She's who we're looking for?
Not much time. Need to dispose of it. We're here for the G-Virus.
G-Virus.
That's not gonna happen. I'm warning you, Doctor. Oh, yeah?
Hey!
Stop!
I'm warning you, Doctor.
You'll never get the G-Virus!
I'll never get the G-Virus.
Didn't expect that from a scientist.
Tayo silang kunin yung
Get away.
G-Virus.
Just go. Stop her before she gets away.
I'm right outside the facility.
Radyo na parang katulad sa sino ko yung
It's not on
kausap?
her. Must be in the mist.
Kilala ko sino ko yung
Once it's in
kausap.
hand, I'll call for
Yung
instructions.
boss. Jun natin.
You can run, Annette, but you can't hide.